Hi everyone. Have you noticed that everyone is suddenly talking about AI agents? But what exactly are they? Are they just smarter chatbots or can they actually perform tasks on their own? In this video, I'll explain what an AI agent is in simple terms, how it works, and why it's becoming one of the biggest trends in the world of AI. Instead of stopping at theory, we'll build a simple AI agent from scratch using Python and the OpenAI API. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and have your own working AI agent. So let's dive in and get started. Let's first understand what an AI agent actually is. Think about ChatGPT for a moment. If you ask it, write an email, it waits for your next instruction before doing anything else. An AI agent works differently instead of simply answering one question at a time. An AI agent is given a goal, it figures out the steps needed to achieve that goal and works through them automatically. For example, imagine you tell an AI agent plan a 3-day trip to Dubai under $2000 instead of just giving you a few suggestions. The agent can break the task into smaller steps. It can decide to look for places to visit, estimate travel costs, suggest hotels, create a day-by-day itinerary, and finally combine everything into one complete travel plan. Next, let us take example of Rufus AI from Amazon and ask it, I want to buy a bicycle for mountain climbing. It asks a clarification on what kind of bicycle you want. When we type beginner now, it is taking some time to think and then it shows the recommendation, the best product that balance quality and value. Let us see now how Rufus AI agents works. So when we type the request, I want to buy a bicycle for mountain climbing. The AI agent intelligently breaks this down and calls two APIs simultaneously. It queries the product API for bicycles and the reviews API for customer ratings. It processes this data and presents curated results. Here are the top rated mountain climbing bicycles sorted by customer ratings and relevance. When we have found the perfect bicycle, it simply indicates our choice. The Rufus AI agent places the order automatically through the order API. Within seconds, you get confirmation order placed successfully for the selected bicycle. The entire journey happens intelligently. So, how does this work? The LLM understands your intent, breaks down requests into steps, and orchestrates the entire workflow using a large language model of Rufus AI with the ability to call external APIs. That's the true potential of AI agents. At the center is the AI agent. It receives tasks from humans and delegates work to multiple team members. On the left, we see human control flows down to autonomous action. This means the agent can make decisions on its own. The AI agent has access to powerful tools. These include API calls for data, access to the internet for information, and the ability to interpret code. The agent also has memory. It remembers information to make better decisions. It has reactivity. It observes the environment and responds to changes in real time. All these elements work together to create an intelligent autonomous system. AI agents come in different types, each designed for specific purposes. Utility based agents make decisions based on value and outcomes. Learning agents improve over time through experience. Simple reflex agents respond immediately to what they observe. Goal based agents work towards specific objectives. Model based reflex agents use internal models of the world to make smarter decisions. Each type has its own strengths depending on the task. So overall, the AI agent systems come in three main architectures. Single agent systems have one AI acting as a personal assistant, handling tasks independently. Multi-agent systems have multiple AIs working together collaboratively, sharing information, and coordinating their actions. Human machine systems combine AI agents with human interaction. Agents assist humans, while humans guide the agents. The architecture you choose depends on the complexity and scale of your task. Let's set up a Python project from scratch. I'm opening the Python official website python.org. Here we can see several stable versions of Python, out of which what we need is version 3.14. We scroll up here and I'm clicking the download button for the Python installer. Now I'm clicking install. Python is being installed with all the necessary components. The installation is complete and we can check installed version. We now have Python ready on our system. Next, we need to install UV, a fast Python package manager. I'm showing the installation instructions for different operating systems. Here's the Windows installation method, and here's the macOS installation method. Now I'm opening PowerShell on Windows. This is our command line tool. I'm typing the UV installation command. The installation is running. UV is downloading and installing on our system. Installation complete. We now have UV installed and ready to use for managing Python packages and projects. Finally, I'm opening VS Code, our code editor. VS Code is now open and ready. We have both Python and UV installed. We are all set to create and manage our new Python project. The development environment is ready to go. Now I am creating a new project folder called AI Agent. Now I am creating a new file called main.py. This is where our Python code will go. I am opening this folder in the terminal. Next, I need to install the OpenAI library. I am typing the command to install OpenAI using UV. This is going to take a while. Now the library is downloading and installing. We now have OpenAI installed and ready to use in our project. Now I need to securely store my API keys. I'm creating a new file called NOA file. This file stores sensitive information like our OpenAI API key. I'm adding the OpenAI API key variable. I'm pasting my OpenAI API key here. Our project now has secure API key configuration ready to go. Now let's build our AI agent using Grok. I'm opening the main.py file where I've written the code. Here's what the code does. We import the necessary libraries, including the Grok client. We set up the Grok API key from our environment variable. The code creates a message to the Grok model with a system prompt. It asks the AI to act as a helpful assistant. Now I'm running the code. I'll press enter to execute it. The code is running. Grok is processing our request and generating a response. The output is complete. The AI has successfully generated a response using Grok's powerful language model. Now let's test the AI agent with a real task. I am typing the prompt plan a 3-day trip to Dubai under $2,000. I'm pressing enter to send this to the AI agent. The AI is processing this request. It's analyzing the parameters. The destination is Dubai. The budget is $2,000 and the duration is 3 days. The output is here. Look at the detailed itinerary. The AI has created a complete 3-day trip plan with accommodation, activities, and dining options, all within the $2,000 budget. The AI agent successfully planned a realistic, affordable Dubai trip. This shows the power of AI agents making intelligent decisions based on constraints and requirements. Now let's look at the agent.py program. This is the core of our AI agent. We define the system prompt that tells the agent how to behave. The agent is said to be a travel planning expert with flight, hotel costs, daily activities, food, and transportation. This is the complete agent setup, simple yet powerful. Now let's see what the agent produced. Here's the detailed trip plan for Dubai. Look at the flight detail section. The agent recommended specific flights with departure times, airlines, and pricing. The food recommendations are diverse. Hotel accommodations are listed with different options. Transportation is covered too. Look at the total estimated costs. The agent calculated flights, hotels, meals, and activities, all adding up to stay within the $2,000 budget. This shows the true power of AI agents. They analyze multiple factors, gather information from different domains, make smart decisions, and deliver comprehensive, actionable results. That's what makes modern AI agents so capable. Now, let's look at the complete agent program. First, we define the API functions. The getFlights function connects to a flight booking API. It takes destination and date parameters and returns available flights. The get hotels function connects to a hotel booking API. It retrieves accommodation options based on location and budget. The get restaurants function connects to a restaurant API. It finds dining options based on cuisine type and location. The get activities function connects to an activities API. It suggests things to do based on interests and location. Each function is designed to retrieve real data from external APIs. Together, they provide the agent with access to flights, hotels, food, and activities. This is how the agent becomes multifunctional and capable of planning complete trips. Now, let's see how the agent executes. We have the execute tool function. This function processes what the agent needs and calls the appropriate API. When the agent needs flights, execute tool calls get flights. When it needs hotels, it calls get hotels. For restaurants, it calls get restaurants. For activities, it calls get activities. The agent analyzes the request, it decides which APIs it needs, it calls each function systematically. Here's the final output: a complete 3-day Dubai trip plan, flights booked, hotels selected, meals planned, activities scheduled. The total cost is calculated, transportation is arranged, everything is within budget. This demonstrates the power of a complete AI agent system, multiple APIs working together, intelligent decision making, comprehensive planning. That's what modern AI agents can do. Let's look at a real world business scenario. Currently, companies use traditional systems where employee data lives in HR software. When an employee needs travel arrangements, the HR department manually retrieves their information. They check employee preferences, budget, and availability from the database. Now imagine an intelligent agent handling this. The agent queries the HR system and retrieves employed data automatically. It searches for flights matching the employee's travel dates and budget. The agent compares options and books the best flight. It reserves hotels based on preferences. It arranges ground transportation. Finally, the agent sends a confirmation email with all the details. Let's look at the key components. The agent needs access to HR systems, flight APIs, hotel databases, and email services. Important security considerations: API keys must be secure, employee data must be encrypted, access must be controlled and audited. Privacy is critical. The agent only accesses data it needs. AI agents are transforming business processes, faster execution, better accuracy, lower costs, improved employee experience. This is how enterprises are automating complex workflows today. And that's it. Congratulations on building your very first AI agent. In this video, we started by understanding what an AI agent is. We explored the architecture of an AI agent, set up our Python project in Visual Studio Code, connected it to the Grok API, added conversation memory, and finally gave our agent the ability to use tools to perform real tasks. If you found this video helpful, or if there is another AI tool you'd like me to cover next, let me know in the comments which feature impressed you the most. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical AI videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.